Sentier de de la vie, sentier de gloire, sentier de gloire. Nous nos enfants tant trouver, oublier, effacer. Lumière dorée brille sans fin tout au bout du chemin. Trouver, oublier, effacer. Lumière dorée brille sans fin.
Guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Kumar, your favorite DSA teacher. When it comes to solving hard unseen DSA problem, which requires lots of complex logic and intuition, okay, hard unseen DSA problems of online assessments, online tests of top tech companies, and competitive programming and coding contest problems. Today, I'm very happy. Think why I'm happy. I'm always happy when my students get selected. So, guys, if I go to the document, this document link will be there in the description of the video. Okay, many of you keep on asking me where is the material is in the description of the video. So guys, the first thing, congratulations to my student for cracking a great offer, very high paying offer off campus from Amazon. Okay, despite not being from a top tier college, she cracked it off campus. My student did it. Congratulations to Sukriti. She has been training very hard with us for DSA, OA, CP, one-to-one mentoring, referrals, everything combined. After 8 to 10 months of hard work, Sukriti has generated the offer. She was a beginner few months back, but now she is awesome at DSA, OA, CP, and she has offer from Amazon off campus. Similar to her, guys, 2 days back this happened, and then 5 days back another student of mine cracked off campus offer from Amazon. Like, there have been so many selections in so many companies, but in today's video I'm thinking of mentioning the Amazon one because it reminds me of my days when I got the Amazon offer a few years back. I was very happy. So Harini, congratulations for cracking off campus offer. She has worked hard since 10-15 months. I know her struggle. Then, guys, congratulations to Abhirami as well. She has also cracked a very great offer from Amazon. So, congratulations to her. Great job, great job. So, like this, on a daily basis, we have many selections. Okay. Now, coming to my introduction, I have previously worked at Amazon and Mia.net as a software engineer. And coming to our love for DSA, I have All India Rank 12 in Google Code Jam 2021 and All India Rank 4 in the recent Facebook Hacker. So, guys, if you want the best level DSA plus OA plus EB training in the country, you can join our one-to-one mentoring and personalized training program, where all the live classes are by me, and you get the one-to-one mentoring with me as well. Also, you'll get full stack development feature, system design training feature. You will get referrals of top 500 companies. Many things are there, and we have selections on a daily basis. So if you are interested, you can check the link in the description. We have special offer of New Year on the new batch which has been getting launched. Now, guys, today we are going to solve very interesting problem. Everything is making me so happy today. So hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. We congratulate our student Kaustav Halder for cracking Apple, getting selected in Apple. We gave him daily live DSA plus OA plus CP training for more than 10 months, and he has generated this brilliant result. Really happy for student Kaustaval there. So, hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, we are going to solve very interesting Google Hackathon online assessment problem. The thing is that students generally practice only standard popular DSA sheets of like Striver, Lovebubber, and they do 100 to 500 standard DSA easy level problems from Lead Code and GFG, and because of that they only know the standard patterns, and they miserably fail in the online assessments of the top tech companies, their dream companies, because in online assessment they ask you story based question. Okay, it is a story based question. Also, it is always a hard new unseen DSA problem. It will not be a question which you have seen before. So it's like you want to crack JEE mains and JEE advanced, but you're doing board level preparation, standard popular question preparation. So that's not enough. You need to practice many hard unseen new questions of OA and CP type, OA and CP level, and you need to have great English comprehension skills to crack online assessments. So let's go through the online assessment problem based on tree and DP concept asked in Google Hackathon online assessment just 1 to 2 days back. So guys, this was the problem. The name of the problem was minimum buses. So guys, see, this problem requires tree plus DP knowledge. So I will write it here that you require tree plus DP knowledge for this particular problem, lovely people. Okay. So now, before I start this problem, there will be many people who don't know about DSA, tree, DP. So make sure guys you watch my videos of tree 1 to 4. These are like this is my premium content. Watch it. You can do similar problem here for practice from my past YouTube video of ServiceNow OA tree problem. See similar type of problems coming again and again. Once this much is done, then you can start watching my this current video. So guys, they are saying that you are given a tree. So first of all, let me make it clear to you people what is tree and how the things work in a tree. Okay, so guys, tree is any graph which has n nodes. Nodes are n and the number of edges are n minus 1. Okay, so basically there is a graph without any cycle and a single connected component is called as a tree. For example, this is a tree. Binary trees. This is a general tree. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many nodes are there? 6 nodes. A tree with 6 nodes will always have 5 edges only. How many edges will be there? 5. 5 edges are there. Which are those 5 edges? This one edge, second edge, third edge, fourth edge, fifth edge. So you all guys understand that this is a tree. Okay. Now guys, what is the meaning of the root node of the tree? Like in the question, it is explicitly mentioned sometimes which is the root node. But generally, node number 1, the node at the top is called as the root node. The node which is at the top, all other nodes are below that node. You can see node number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are below 1. So node number 1 can be called as the root node. The node at the top of the whole structure is called as the root node. Okay, so this thing is also clear. So in this tree, node number 1 is the root node. Now what is the child-parent relationship? Let me explain that also. For example, let's take a very simple tree, right, like this. You can say that node number 1 is parent of node number 2. This much sense you should have, that this guy is the parent of this guy. Okay. Similarly, you can say that node 2 is parent of 5 because 5 is coming below 2. Node 2 is also the parent of 3. Okay. Node 3 is parent of 4. Okay. Like that, you can also say that node 2 is child of node 1. So hopefully guys, these things are clear. Like if there is a tree like this, what will be the relation between, let's say this is node X, this is node Y. What will be the relation? See, X and Y are directly connected. X is coming above, Y is coming below. So the below guy is always the child and the above guy is always the parent of that child. Okay. So this parent-child relationship should be clear to you. So now guys, you understand about tree and you understand these basic terminologies. Okay. You understand these basic terminologies. Now I think we can move towards the actual problem basically. Okay. Let's move towards the actual problem. The actual problem guys, you can see big English paragraphs are there. And students generally, get into fear and anxiety by looking at such big problem statements. That's why I'm saying your English comprehension skills should be top notch to crack the online assessments, okay? Because even the AI models are not able to solve these problems, and putting this whole data in the AI, during the exam is not feasible at all because, tab options are also not there. You cannot even open a single more tab here. So you need to really have in-depth problem solving skills to tackle it, okay? So you need to have knowledge to do these things. Okay. So now let's think what to do and how to do. So with the name of God, Ram, I will explain what the question is. Guys, they are saying that we are giving you a tree, but the tree is, let's say they are saying that they are given us a tree like this, okay? Node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5. Now each node has a particular value, okay? I am like making this thing easy for you, okay? The understanding. If you read these paragraphs, you will understand the understanding is this, that we are given a tree of n nodes. Some nodes have their value as 0 and some nodes have their value as 1. We have to travel through this tree using multiple buses as needed. Each bus can travel a particular node at most one time. Okay, a bus cannot travel the same node again and again. In the final situation, all buses should reach at the topmost node, root node. Okay. Find the minimum number of buses required to make sure all buses reach root node in the end, and all nodes with value 1 get traveled at least one time by at least one bus. Okay. Once a bus starts traveling, it can stop. It can only stop at root node at the top. It cannot stop anywhere else. It can only stop at the root node. Now guys, these things are not clearly written in the question. I have made it easy for you. They have made it very confusing. So if you can analyze, you will come to know that this is what they were saying. Okay. So that's why I'm saying English comprehension should be good. So let's say guys, this tree is given to us and all the values are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now pause for a minute and think, where will you put your buses? Where will you put one bus or multiple bus so that all the nodes can be traveled and you can reach the root node? What is the best way to do that? The answer is that you can see here for n equal to 4, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4. This is a smaller case, okay? Like if I want, I can also make it like this. Yeah. 1, 2, like it's the same as the previous one. Where will you put the bus so that the bus can travel all the nodes? You will put a bus at node number 4. You will put one bus at node number 4 and this bus will travel like this till the top. This is the top, right? So bus travels this also, this node also, this node also, this node also. So guys, all conditions satisfied. Bus has traveled all the nodes with value 1 and bus has successfully reached at the topmost node. Okay, how many buses were needed? Only one bus is sufficient to do this task. So we just wanted to know the minimum number of buses needed, right? One bus is enough, fortunately, in this case. Now, so hopefully you guys understood this concept. Now let's take another test case to make things further easy for us. Okay, let's say the tree looks like this, 1 to 2, and yeah, the edges are like 1 to 2. Edges are like 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Now, how many buses will be needed? 1, like let's do it quickly, 2, 3. Now guys, we need to travel all the nodes with value 1. Basically, we have to travel all the nodes. And we can only go from bottom to up direction. So how many buses will be needed? 2 buses will be needed. First bus I will place here. Second bus I will place here. What will happen? This bus will go upwards like this and it will stop at node number 1, and this bus will also go upwards like this and it will stop at node number 1. So 2 buses are enough. One bus I will start from node number 2, it will go up. One bus I will start at node number 3, it will go up like this. So these things are clear to you people, right? Okay. Make sure if you are new to these concepts, please don't be lazy. Watch all of my premium content I've given to you. Most people don't know the best tricks to do and fall in ONCP. So please use it. Okay. So 2 buses are enough. You can see one situated at node 2 and other situated at node 3. Both will travel up to node 1. Observation guys. What is the first observation? Whichever bus we pick up will always have vertical path reaching at top root node. Guys, can you feel it? No matter how our tree looks like, let's say our tree looks like this. Let's say I decide to put a bus here. So what will be the path? Path will be just straight up vertical like this now. See, the topmost node will always be node number 1 that is given in the question. So no matter where you keep the bus, if you keep the bus here, bus can only go upwards till the root node. That's it.
There is no other path possible. Now I will explain you why any other path is not possible. For example, let's say this is your tree, okay? If I put a bus at node number 4, the biggest observation is that only one path is possible to the top. Which is that path? You go from here to here, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, like 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. That is the only way to reach the topmost node. You cannot go in V shape. Like some people might think that, sir, what if I go from 4 to 3, then 3 to 5, then 5 to 6? This is wrong. If you do like this, your path will end at node number 6, which is not allowed. It is written that the path of the bus should always end in the root node. इसका मतलब कहीं से भी चालू करो, बस करते करते ऐसा ऊपर रूट नोड में पहुंचेगा, एकदम वर्टिकली जाएगा वो. समझे बात को? ऐसा किधर भी लेफ्ट राइट नहीं घुमा सकते उसको. इट कैन ओनली गो, the path can only go to its parent, its parent, its parent, its parent, its parent. So now I will test your skills. Okay, so just let's do a simple testing, and then our job is done, guys. Okay, so in this particular tree, you guys have to tell me, if I put a bus at some particular node, if I put a bus at node number 5, what will be the path? Only one path is possible. From 5, you can only go to its parent, 4. From 4, you can go to its parent, 3. From 3 to its parent, 2. Parent is always above, 1. So only one path is possible. Never think that you can go from 5, 4, 3 and then 6. Because if you go to 6, your path is over. Your path ended at 6, which is not allowed. Path should always end at node number 1, which is the topmost node. It is guaranteed that node number 1 will be at the top, declared as the root node. It is given in the question. So these many things are clear. So now let's go through one more test case and let's do the justice. So guys, this is the test case given to us. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 1. Then let me put here 2, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5. Then 1, 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, like its value is 1, its value is 0. I think it's 1, it's 0. Okay, so hopefully these basic things are clear to all of you and you all are able to understand what I'm trying to show you. Now guys, here comes 1, here comes a particular 3, and here comes our 6, here comes our 7, and here comes our 8. Okay, so I just want you to like try to understand this test case on your own. Okay, giving you guys few minutes. Try to understand this test case and think what will be the answer and how can be the answer. Like now you tell me, where will you put the buses so that all the nodes with value 1 get traveled? In what will be the minimum number of buses needed and where should those buses be situated? Giving you 1 minute, think about it. All the best. So now guys, coming back to the problem. Now, hopefully you got that we only need 2 buses. Okay, one bus I will put here guys at node number 5. I will put one bus B1. Okay, this hopefully this much is clear to you. And one bus you will put at node number 8. Okay, B2. Okay, so hopefully this much is clear. So what will happen if you put one bus at node number 5? It will travel like this now. See, all the nodes with the value 1 got traveled. And one bus here you put B2. So it will travel this and this. So all the nodes in this tree with value 1 got visited. So minimum 2 buses were enough for this. Now how to solve this problem, guys? What is the best way to solve this problem? The best way to solve this problem is that we will use dp plus tree. Okay, the observation makes it clear that it's always better for buses to be situated at bottom, like leaves. You know, leaves are the bottommost nodes of tree which have no more children. So from there you should start your paths and try to go up. Okay, so they can travel upwards and cover as many one valued nodes as possible. So guys, we are going to do a bottom up DFS trick to be used. Okay, we are going to use the bottom up DFS trick, which is very important. How to use it, I will not explain in this video. It is given in the prerequisite videos. Please watch it, you will understand. So we will travel the tree from bottom till upwards, okay, and we will try to solve it from bottom till upwards. For example, in this case only, we will make a DP array. How many nodes are there? There are 8 nodes. So we will make a DP array of size 8, okay. What will be the meaning of DP of 8? DP of 8 will tell me how many buses are required to go from bottom till node 8. So node 8 value is 1 now. So only one bus is required to reach till 8. DP7 means how many buses are required to reach till node number 7 legally. Only one bus is required. The one bus at 8 will reach at 7. So DP7 1, DP6 1, DP3 1, DP4 is 0. Why? How many buses are required to go from bottom till node number 4? No bus is required because the value of node number 4 is 0. It means there is no bus needed here to travel unless forcefully needed. Okay, no bus needed. DP5, it's just 1 because value of 5 is 1, right? So one bus is needed to be there at node number 5. So DP5 is 1. Okay, DP2 is 1 because the bus at node number 5 will travel up and reach here. So DP2 will be 1. What will be DP1? DP1 will be the sum of DP2 and DP3. Okay, so DP2 is what? 1. One bus is coming from this side and one bus is coming from 3. Okay, DP3 you can see 1 and DP2 1. So sum of both of them DP1 2. Basically 2 buses need to reach at node number 1, and like this the DP solves the problem. Basically for node number I, let's say these are the children. So DPI is nothing but DP of the sum of the children. That's it. And you have to handle the corner case. If DPI equal to 0, but if node value is 1, it means one bus is needed. So please make sure DPI is 1 in that case. How to do these things have been explained in the past videos. Now, I will try to show this to you with an example. Now guys, you only think, what will be the answer for this part? This is node number 2. What will be the answer for node number 2? How many buses are needed for node number 2? Value of node 2 is 1. Means one bus is needed, right? That is the meaning of DP of 2. Means for this node, if you try to travel from bottom till this node, like there is nothing at the bottom, at least one bus is needed. So DP of 2 is 1. Okay. So DP of 2 is 1. I am writing it here so you remember in the future. DP3 means I am considering only this much part, the node 3 and all the nodes below node 3, the subtree of node 3. What will be DP of 3, guys? It's pretty simple. DP of 3 will be 0. How many buses are needed to reach till node number 3? No bus is needed. Why no bus is needed? Common sense. Because its value is 0 ना. 0 means यहाँ पर कोई बस लाने की जरूरत नहीं है unless कोई force कर रहा है. तो DP3 0 हो गया बेटा. What will be DP4? DP3 is 0. DP of 4. Like what is the answer for this part? Only one bus is needed here. So DP4 will be 1. Now what will be DP of 1? DP of 1 means what will be the answer for the whole tree till node 1? DP of 1 means you consider the node number 1 and all the nodes below that. Guys, DP1 is nothing but the sum of the children. Why? तुमको दिख रहा है ना, from this branch one bus is coming, from this branch 0 bus is coming, from this branch 1 bus is coming. So total how many buses are coming? 1 plus 0 plus 1, 2 buses. So DP1 is nothing but DP2 plus DP3 plus DP4. So guys, for any node I, the formula is pretty simple. If this is the node I, and let's say these are the children, okay, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Let's say you know the DP values. You know the answer of DP C1. You know the answer of DP C2. Like this, you know the answer till DP C5 or CK. Then what is the answer for DP of I? DP of I is nothing but what? You know that some buses are coming from this branch. That is nothing but DP-C1. Some buses from here, some buses from here, some buses from here, some buses from here. And they need to come. There is no other option. These buses need to come from here, or else they will not get satisfied by themselves. So DPI is nothing but sum of them. DP-C1 plus till DP of C5. Some buses need to come out from there, or else they will never reach our target node. So guys, that's it, and we will solve the problem like this. We will do the bottom up traversal of DFS. Basically अपन क्या करने वाले मैं बता देता हूँ. Let's say we have some structure like this. First I will travel this node. Okay. I will travel node number 8 and I will calculate DP8, which is very easy because it is a leaf, nothing is below. After this is done, I will calculate DP of 7. Why? Because DP of 7 is nothing but the sum of its children, DP8. So after that, I will calculate DP7. Then I will calculate DP6. I will always first travel the bottom nodes. Then I will calculate DP5. DP5 will be what? DP5 will be nothing but DP6 plus DP7. Okay. Then I will calculate DP4, then DP3, DP2. Finally, DP1 will be what? DP1 will be DP2, the number of buses coming from this branch, plus DP3, the number of buses coming from this whole bigger part, or the node 3 and all the nodes beyond 3. They will send some number of buses here, which will be denoted as DP of 3. You just need to be careful for one particular case, which I give you as a homework, that if your DPI is coming as 0, but the current node value is 1, it means भले नीचे वालों को बसेस की जरूरत नहीं, बट तुम्हारी वैल्यू 1 है तो DPI 1 होना चाहिए. Okay, so how to do these things? It's shown in the C++, Java, Python codes. You guys can check them out. A simple DFS is enough to solve this problem in our particular case. It's really nice. You guys can check out the C++, Java, Python implementation. The time complexity is only O of n. So let me write it here. And we are using a little bit of space also, right, for the DP. So it will take O of n size space as well. Okay, I will show you the codes and all. See, you can see here, guys. Took the number of nodes, node values, the edges of the tree. Then DB1 is the answer. How I am doing DFS, you can check here. There are better ways to do it for better understanding, but this is also enough. You can see DP node is nothing but DP of child. But in case DP node comes as 0, but its value is 1, then DP node needs to be 1. Okay. I am talking about this case. Like, let's say this is your tree. This value is also 0, this value is also 0. So what you will do? But this value is 1. So you will say, sir, DP1 is DP2 plus DP3, right? But this will not work in this case. Why? This is 0. 0 bus is coming from here. 0 bus is coming from here. So 0 plus 0, 0. So you will say, sir, 0 bus needed here. But node value of 1 is 1, means 1 bus is needed. So even if DP value is 0, make sure you check what is the node value. If the node value is 1, you need to update your DP 0 to DP1. DP node value of 0 to 1. Okay. So Ram guys, hopefully you enjoyed. I will be uploading the solutions to other problems as well. Ram.